What's going on, everyone? Evan here from Care Auto Spa, and today we're bringing you this 2023 Honda Civic in this beautiful Sonic Gray Pearl. We're going to be doing a carbon fiber hood wrap in this super realistic carbon fiber, and we're also going to be blacking out the emblems and doing a carbon fiber gas door in the matching carbon fiber. So in this video, you're going to see us lay some film, black out some emblems, and change the appearance of this car. So without further ado, let's get into it. This hood is just about ready to be wrapped. What we went ahead and did is we put a layer of tape all around the border of the hood. What that does is that gives us a barrier. The vinyl doesn't stick well to the tape, so when we need to reposition it, and once we get to the edge, it allows for us to be able to easily lift the vinyl off the tape, unlike what we would be able to do with the paint. So now we're gonna go ahead and just give this panel one last wipe down, and then go ahead and get some film on it. Today we're using the Miami style wrap glove from Wrap Glove USA. All right, so this is the completed result of the hood wrap in gloss carbon fiber. As you can see, it looks absolutely stunning. This carbon fiber looks so good. Gives it a very real look, and it's got very good clarity to it. Right now we're doing a little Plasti Dip blackout on these three emblems, just to give it a nice look. And lastly, we're gonna go ahead and do the same carbon fiber that we did on the hood on this gas cap. So here's a little walk around of the car, completely finished up, hood wrapped in carbon fiber. Gas door wrapped in carbon fiber, as well as the rear emblems blacked out. So that pretty much ends it for this video, everybody. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give the video a thumbs up, and then make sure you subscribe for more content. We love doing cars like this, especially Hondas. We're big Honda heads. So if you got a Honda and you're in New Jersey or whatever type of car you got, make sure you bring it to us. Thank you for watching. Take care, everyone.